Hey guys, Captain Fatty here. I hope everyone is having an awesome day. So today I've got an exclusive bonus package for you guys, including a product that will not be officially released until November, and more bonuses worth hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, all for a new PLR product by Tiffany Lambert, which is basically one of the best content writers in the PLR in the PLR scene, in the content marketing scene, if not the best. She's been doing this for over 20 years. So I just want to explain. A lot of Tiffany's previous stuff was related to self-help, weight loss, and different things away from the whole make money online scene. And I'm just delighted she's come out with this latest product, which is online success for beginners. In total, there is, in the front end alone, you're getting 8 complete reports, included, covering different topics such as picking a niche, creating a niche, building a database of loyal subscribers, learning how to monetize a niche for maximum profits, analyzing your business models to see what's best for you, networking to appeal buyers and affiliates alike, using multimedia approach to share your message, and utilizing social media to expand your reach. To me, I release PLR content and we would probably release these over 8 different months. Tiffany's given them all away in a front-end product, so it's just a really, really complete steal. Now, what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be offering a new product, which is called YouTube Marketing Supremacy PLR. And I just want to explain this. This is kind of like my launch schedule. We just released this Facebook ads 2 weeks ago. On Friday, we're releasing Email Marketing Power. Next September, we're releasing Video Marketing Domination. Next October, we're releasing LinkedIn Marketing Authority. These are all PLR packs. If you've been following us, our new brand, Premium PLR Reports. But in November the 14th, we will be releasing YouTube Marketing Supremacy. Now, everything is complete, everything has been created. So you guys are going to get access to this, you could say, 3 or 4 months before anyone else. Now, I'm just going to show you, the only thing that's not ready is the graphics, but you're getting all the articles, all the content, the ebook, everything like that. So I'll just give you a quick look at it. How to create a YouTube channel, getting your first 1,000 subscribers, engaging content, growing your channel for free, YouTube marketing tips, using descriptions and tags, YouTube marketing ads, YouTube marketing SEO, how to build a strong presence on YouTube, and how to grow to 100,000 subscribers. I went through this report. I learned so much from this report, and you guys are actually going to get full private label rights to this report as a bonus. So I've never done anything like this before. I'm going 3 months ahead and giving you guys a product which will be sold for basically $29. You're getting that for free if you decide to pick up Tiffany's Online Success for Beginners. It's just a steal in the package itself. It doesn't really need a bonus, but I know you guys like a little bit of encouragement at times. Right, the other bonus included, we're going to give you 20k extra case study and training, which is, I released this in February of this year, and it's basically how we're able to add an extra $20,000 per month to our business. It just plain outright works. There's a few marketers using it as well, and they're just saying, Kevin, the best training product they've ever come across. I'm going to give you private label rights to Solo Ad Escape. So you're going to get the Solo Ad Escape PDF and document that you can rebrand any way you want. This report has helped thousands and thousands of people. You can now call it your own, rebrand it, sell it over and over again, anything you want as well. 101 ways to profit from PLR PDF report, as 80-minute PLR training webinar, lifetime access to download PLR articles. This alone is worth basically $197 a year. You're getting access to the article database, which is now, we've been updating this for 10 years, and we have now 48,555 articles. You can just go into the categories, or you can just type in, for example, email marketing, and you can see we've got 49 articles relating to email marketing. If we just type in email, we've got 101. If we were to type in something like weight loss, we have 3,400 articles relating to weight loss. So it just covers all topics, all niches, and you get basically lifetime access to this. We've updated this every single month with new articles all the time, and we've been doing that since, you can see here, since since January 2011. So guys, there is just so much value in this bonus. On top of that, you're going to get 2 hours of affiliate marketing training. These are 2 of my best webinar training replays on affiliate marketing. It shows you how to set up everything, how to get traffic that works. So that is the front end offer, guys. You can see everything below this video that's included. You can see all the bonuses, and if you're interested, just click this link to check it out. Now, one of the questions a lot of people ask is, Kevin, what's the OTOs with this offer? And it took me about 15 minutes to figure this out, because there's just so much content in it. What you've got in the front end is 8 complete reports. It's just a steal. It's going to be $17. The first OTO is going to be $27, and that includes, there's just, I don't know how many reports are in this. Maybe there's 10 or 15 different reports. There's 50 different articles. But what I found is the big difference is the product reviews. Inside the OTO 1, there's 5 product reviews here on one product. There's more product reviews here relating to that. So it's kind of cool. You get the articles, you get the report, you get the content, and if you're looking for something to put into your blog or put onto YouTube, you're getting a product review that you can just tie in your affiliate link straight away. This is something I don't do. I think it's really, really cool. And then with the second OTO, you're getting more product reviews, more articles, and everything like that. But because the price is $37, you're also getting a sales page. Sorry, it's just so much content here. You're also getting PSD. Yes, you're also getting sales pages, you're getting banners, you're getting autoresponder email services, absolutely everything as well. So to me, guys, it's a steal. If you're just after the front end for $17 to get all the 8 reports and my 7 or 8 bonuses, click the link below. If you're interested in getting more value, more graphics, more product reviews, everything like that, take a look at the upsells as well. So this is Kevin Faddy. Have an awesome day, and thank you very much for checking out this video.